In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack handle. It's a straightforward process, but we're going to go through each step together to ensure everything is crystal clear. Maybe you've grown tired of your current handle, or perhaps you're looking to better align your Substack identity with your content or brand. Whatever the reason, updating your handle can be a refreshing change. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Substack account. If you haven't already, open your browser and head over to Substack's website. Enter your credentials and sign in. It's always good to ensure that you have your password and any other necessary login details ready to go, just in case. Once you've logged in, you'll find your profile icon situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. This area is your primary navigation hub for accessing various account settings and features. From the drop-down, select Settings. This is where all the magic happens, so go ahead and click on it. As you scroll through the settings, you'll notice different sections detailing options for customizing your profile. Look for the section that says Handle. This area is probably located alongside other personal details on your profile. Here, you should see an Edit button. Go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to make changes to your current handle. Now comes the fun part. You have the option to either select a suggested handle provided to you by Substack or enter your preferred new handle. If you're choosing a new one, make sure it reflects your brand or personal style while still being easy to remember for your readers. Bear in mind that a good handle can help reinforce your identity and make it easier for others to find you. With your new handle in mind, all that's left is to implement your change by clicking Update Handle. Wait for a confirmation prompt to ensure that your change has been successfully saved. It's a simple step, but it's always nice to know that everything has been updated correctly behind the scenes. And there you have it, you've now successfully changed your Substack handle. Keep in mind that this new handle will be what everyone sees when they interact with your content, so make sure you're comfortable with your choice. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.